Once again, I'm delighted to be able to video for you today this beautiful privately owned, just one owner, 16 registered, 3-door Kia Picanto with the balance of Kia's 7-year warranty to take until 2023, and in a very nice spec indeed. It's the SR7, so you'll see the specifications as I walk you around. As I've said, it's just the one owner. We've purchased the vehicle directly from its only lady owner. She had a 3-year service plan with Kia, so there's one remaining service to take during 2019 at your Kia dealer. So that's got to be another huge reason to consider this vehicle amongst its competitors. We're somewhat of getting into the almost expert realms now with Kia. We do absolutely love them. Fantastic value for money motor cars with bulletproof reliability and build quality. This vehicle is the SR7 and so has a host of standard features that really would fit some models of higher specification and higher price. You can buy the car through our website with our online application for finance. You can live chat us, or you can ring or email us. We are open 7 days a week. We just ask that at the weekends you telephone ahead before you call. And the business has been established for 22 years, and we have an enviable reputation which we are rightly proud of, with our customers rating us on Google, Facebook and Auto Trader at 5 stars. So thank you to each and everyone who's taken time out to deliver a review for us over the last decade or so. And my name is David Bilsborough. I'm the business owner. My colleague is Christopher Wallace. My wife and son and father all have a role to play in the business. So, you know, when you're next looking at a car, consider looking at your local retailers who just, I think, give that little bit more, that little bit extra, and certainly the personal service. We have customers going back over 2 decades now who recommend and use our services, so we're very grateful and thankful for all those people who do that. So this is a 2016 Kia 3-door, and it's in the white colour, which is a very attractive car colour to have. Lots of chrome, lovely front bumper, daylight running lights, and these polished painted wheels, all in great condition with matching tyres. Hankook, the standard tyre. The windscreen is free from damage. The rear windows are privacy, so a nice contrast with the front windows. It runs on a good grade of unleaded fuel. I would say try and visit your local petrol retailer rather than the supermarkets, especially if you're only doing a low mileage. I think the fuel from the filling stations is of a better quality, and if you can afford it, use the super unleaded always. It's not necessary, but it is designed to run on 95, but 97 to 99 is the super fuel, and I think it's about £35 to fill the tank up, maybe. I haven't filled it, so I'm guessing, but it is over 55 to 60 miles per gallon, and I averaged that very easily as I drove the car back from Hereford to Crewe. A very smooth and very responsive little car it is too. As I say, we've had plenty of them, so we're very au fait with the 1-litre engine, 3-cylinder. You get an emergency repair kit, which is all present, and there's locking wheel nut is present as well. The seats will fold 60-40. There are 3 headrests. I mean, being realistic, it's a 5-seater car, but I would imagine 3 fairly good-sized teenagers might be a little bit comfy in the back. So you're really sort of saying it's a 4-seater car very comfortably, very easily, and a 5-seater car to push. One thing I will give you on these reviews is honesty, and as I see them from a sort of a family owner point of view rather than somebody selling you a dream from a showroom. It's got its limits, obviously, although, you know, this car will go around the countryside very easily and very robustly. Kia are warrantying the car for 7 years, so always bear in mind Kia Hyundai product that has a 5 and 7 year warranty, so they must be, well, they are very confident in their product. It has a host of standard features such as Bluetooth and radio CD, air conditioning, adjustable driver's seat, adjustable steering column, multi-function with voice activation on the steering, 5-speed gearbox, and is without smells, hasn't been a smoker's car, and it hasn't carried pets. It's just a lovely car in fantastic condition. So if we go up to the roof lining, it's a nice brighter creamy ivory roof lining which just lightens up, brings some light into the cockpit with the dark seat cover colour. I'm just going to put my arm back and carry on talking. I have to say, about 10 minutes ago we had a most horrendous shower, so I was ready to do the video 15 minutes ago until the rain came, so I had to dry the car off. So we never like to video and talk about picture cars wet, but there we go, we're benefiting now from the boss having dried the car off. I've done it myself. There you go, see, bosses do some manual work. So we've got the Cat On radio station, which is our local radio station, which we actually sponsor a show on there. So if you are local, have a tune into 107.9 the Cat. It's a Crewe and Nantwich based digital and FM radio station. Mileage 11,118, absolutely guaranteed. There's just over half a tank of fuel. I must have banged my head as I put the fuel in. I've put way too much fuel in to get me home from Hereford, but there you go, it's half a tank of fuel for the lucky new owners. And this gorgeous steering wheel, absolutely stunning. You wouldn't expect this in such a small car. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Voice activation.
Please say a command.
Cancel.
Cancel.
That's a quick demonstration of the voice commands. There's your air conditioning. There's your direction of flow, speed, all working really well. I'll have the car checked at Kia next week for any recalls. I'll maybe make a phone call this afternoon to them. That's all part of the service and being transparent. There is the information pack, and we have a fairly good size, very good size glove box actually. And in fact, I would go so far as to say some of the Focuses and Golfs won't have a glove box that big, so that's very useful. We've got door storage in the panels, electric windows. It looks like it's going to rain again, but I'm not bothered, I'm in the car now, so you can rain all you like, it does not bother me in the slightest. And one thing I've noticed, it's also got automatic headlights, so if you put the position of the switch into the auto position, they will automatically turn the lights on, which is, you know, rather nice, I must say. That's a nice touch. So perky little engine, 3 cylinders, and also music lovers, you've got USB and AUX and a 12-volt power socket there to charge your device, and nice sort of painted feature here. Silver goes nicely with the black. And as I said to you a few minutes ago, there's no damage in the vehicle. Very, very nice car. Smell free, damage free, 2016. Prices are not negotiable, but those of you that are looking will know that all our prices are price compared before we make an offer for a car, during having made an offer, before we put the car on sale. We don't aim to be the cheapest, we aim to be the most competitive and give an exceptional service, which our customers are very pleased to confirm by all their 5-star. We've some 100 reviews now, so please do take a look at it. We've got a customer just coming up for his MOT, so if he speaks to me, he won't be realising I'm speaking through the video, but let's hope Peter spots me talking and doesn't interrupt us. So I can't really spend too many more minutes. I'll have to go and deal with him for his MOT. So that's our 2016 3-door Kia Picanto SR7, looking rather splendid, ready to go from Cheshire Cars in Crewe in Cheshire. Have a fabulous day, and we hope to hear off you very, very soon indeed.